Hi there, students. Despondent, an adjective. Despondency, the noun. Despondently, the adverb. And even, although it's unusual, a verb to despond. Okay, so if you feel despondent, you're a bit down, a bit depressed, because you've been having problems and you don't think you're going to be able to overcome these problems. Yeah, you're starting to lose hope. So I felt very despondent when the teacher gave me a D- for my essay. He despondently walked round the town looking for work, but he didn't think he was going to have any hope of getting it. I despondently went home to tell my friend the bad news. Yeah, there was a feeling of despondence everywhere. Yeah, I was downcast, dejected, sad, depressed, lacking hope. Yeah, so despondency is not very good. You're unhappy and you've got no hope and no enthusiasm. I felt very despondent when they said that they weren't going to give me the job. Okay, I was discouraged because the situation was not likely to improve. Yeah, you know exactly what this means. You're down and it doesn't really look like things are getting better. Yeah, you become disheartened, dispirited. Yeah, I grew more and more despondent as things went from bad to worse. We mustn't let despondency take hold in this COVID pandemic. We must keep our spirits up. Yeah, so don't be disheartened, don't be despondent, don't lose hope, don't be morose, depressed, glum, melancholy. Yeah, after the meeting with my boss, I felt pretty despondent because he said that I was liable to be made redundant. He was pretty despondent about our chances of our team winning. He was unable to smile because of despondency. Yeah, he was so despondent after his failure that he just lay on the bed all day doing nothing. Yeah, he was in such low spirits. He was so sad and depressed. Yeah, so that's the idea of to be despondent. Yeah, to not feel that anything is going to get better. So, what about the verb to despond? Well, to despond means to get depressed. Yeah, to depress. So I guess you could say this pandemic is desponding the citizens of the country. Another lockdown will despond people into such despondency that they're going to feel despondent and walk around despondently. Okay? So, formality. Well, I think the verb despond, probably I'm going to give it an 8.5, even a 9 in formality. It's an unusual word. Although despondent and despondently, I'd probably give a 6.5, something like that. You could just about use it in an informal conversation. It sounds good in a descriptive essay or something like that to talk about how somebody's feeling. Despondence, maybe 7 in formality. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, from despondeo, meaning to promise solemnly. Yeah, I wonder what the link between those two is. Well, if you promise solemnly, I guess there's this solemnity and depression. From despondo, to promise, to guarantee, or even to betroth, to become engaged in marriage. So, don't be despondent. Keep up your hard work with your English. It's going to get better, I can guarantee you. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Despondent, despondency, despondently, and even to despond.